Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to reset pivot. So as example I will create for the cube objects, and if you use the move tool to be show for the pivot in the center point, and if you want to move you can press the button and I will click at this corner. Now you can press exit button to close, and if you select again the object, the pivot point will be moved into the corner point here. So if you want to reset this pivot point, you can press the button and then right click, hold, or you can click reset pivot. So it'll be moved into the center point again. I will click again, press the button, hold, and then I will move into this corner point. You can click outside to apply, and to reset you can press the button, right click, hold, and then choose the reset pivot. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to reset pivot.